Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So an old letter Thabo Bester wrote to his childhood best friend Zunaid Kok while he was imprisoned back in 2013 in Mangaung prison has been published and has resurfaced, you guys. It has been published by News 24. In the letter, the criminal says he was in prison for the crime he did not commit. He said quite a mouthful, you guys. So this is what he wrote. I was in prison for a crime I never committed. I was so hurt by the stories in the media about me, for most of the stories are not true. In the letter, he went on to encourage his friend to have a positive attitude and to make a success out of his fitness business. He wrote, "The world is a great mirror. It reflects back to you what you are. If you are loving, if you are friendly, if you are helpful, the world will prove loving and friendly and helpful to you." My grandmother shaped me in so many ways. She did not have education, but she had superb values. I am lonely and I feel rejection running through my soul. I'd finally hit a wall. Everything that I had not been dealing with hit me like a ton of bricks. It was a time of terrible fear, darkness, and despair. I'd lay in bed for hours trying to get enough energy to get up. Now there you have it, guys. Please do let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you in the next update. Thank you for watching. Bye.